guys, this is my first gift I wrapped for my dad. It's actually my second, but my second one wasn't in the camera. So yeah. Alright, under this video, I want you to post your Christmas gifts. I'll watch all of them, but I want you to post your Christmas gifts. And this is hot hands, because my dad's a construction worker, so I got him hot hands. Now, to show you the best thing I got my dad for Christmas, here it is. Now it's gonna go back in the box, so it's easier to wrap. This is a Winchester, and I bought this for $10, so I was like, yes! Okay, so Winchester knife, pocket knife. Aww. I think it's pretty nice, actually. My dad could use it when he goes hunting and stuff like that. So that's nice. I think it's nice. I don't know about other people think it's nice, but alright, so there's that. When it goes into this little pocket it came with, and then it goes, I guess this right here that connects to your belt, I guess it's called a sheath or sheath or whatever. I'm not positive. I think that's what it's called because it says wood folder, which means the knife, the type of knife, with sheath. And so I think that's it. So now I'm going to show you my wrapping skills. My wrapping skills on this one is actually pretty good. Okay, so here's this. Now, yes, I know this is a lot, but I had extra. This is the special wrapping paper I bought my dad. Special. It's like really special for him because like it's his favorite driver. And I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get this for my daddy. So I got this for my daddy. And I hope he likes it. He hasn't seen it yet. Like, I haven't put any of his presents under the tree. I'll do that like tomorrow. Not tomorrow. When school's out, I'll do that because I'm gonna give him all his Christmas presents at once. Like right when school goes out, and I go over. Like right now, I'm at my grandmother's house because he has to work a lot. And so right now I'm at my grandmother's house, but when I go over this weekend or something, and no, my parents are not divorced, so don't say, oh, you're just over at your grandma's house because your parents are divorced. No. If you guys really want to know what happened to my mom died when I was 4, so yeah, and it's not an excuse, it's actually what happened. Okay, so yeah, that looks kind of cool. Oh well. So it's not really an excuse, it's really the truth. Okay, so and then we cut the ends off like this, or however you guys do it. This is how I do it. I hold on to the end and just cut. Okay, and then I'm going to flare these out. Get a long piece of tape, tape this down, and that's what I do. And then I go under like that, setting them. I kind of fold it down like this. It's hard to explain. Now, most of you people know how to wrap, so I can't really explain this. Some people will be like, oh no, you don't fold it like that. You fold it like this. But, wrap. And I have to tape this back, because I ripped it. Okay. I never did that, people. Okay, so, okay, so that's it. And so now I'm gonna just fold this in like this. Hopefully it won't rip on me again. And then fold this part in. And then make it at a point and fold it over. And you just get some of that off. Fold it over. You have a little tape. Crap. And take the corner. So I think it looks okay. Alright, now we flare this one out. Long tape. tape right here, then under, and there's a little extra that time. Tape to the box now, so my dad's gonna have fun unwrapping this. Okay, so then clear out all this. Alright, and then, as I said, you pull this down, so this is sharp. You want that sharp, and then pull this down, sharp, and then push them to the middle like that. And so it looks kind of funny, but you push them to the middle, and then pull up for the actual. And that's my dad's Christmas present. So here's this one, and here's this one. I have another one, but I don't want to get up and get it and pause it and all that. So, ooh, huh. All right. Tell me what you think of them. Thanks. Bye.